Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. My name is Muhammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I have also cracked TS Law Set 2023 with rank 1. In this video, we will discuss most important MCQs related to legal aptitude that is very important from the point of view of TZ Law Set and AP Law Set 2025. So let's discuss these questions. So the first question is, which of the following, once again. So the first question is, which of the following is considered as Indian innovation in parliamentary practice? Its right answer is 0 hours. So the right answer is B. Question number two: who among the following is considered as the guardian of the public purse of India? Its right answer is Comptroller and Auditor General of India. So the right answer is C. Question number three: the correct designation of Hindi is. Its right answer is official language. So the right answer is B. Question number four: a district forum under Consumer Protection Act of 1986 can entertain complaints of claims up to. Its right answer is rupees 20 lakhs. So the right answer is A. Question number five: writ of habeas corpus is relevant in. Its right answer is false imprisonment. So the right answer is D. Question number six: negligence occurs when there is. Its right answer is breach of duty. So the right answer is A. Question number seven: which of the following is correct? What what is the right answer? Whether it is the concept of limited liability restricts the amount of money a person risks to what he invests in a business enterprises, or the concept of limited liability does not restrict the amount of compensation a person has to pay when sued, or the concept of limited liability restricts the company's liability when sued, or none of the above. What is the right answer? The right answer is A. The right answer is A. The concept of limited liability restricts the amount of money a person risks to pay what he invests in a business enterprises. Question number 8: which of the following is true for a limited liability partnership firm? Its right answer is a partner is not liable for act of other partners. So the right answer is B. Question number 9: liability of partners in a partnership firm is. Its right answer is joint and several. So the right answer is B. Question number 10: the rule laid down by the House of Lords in Ryland versus Felcher deals with. Its right answer is strict liability. So the right answer is A. Question number 11: tort in India is based on. Its right answer is common law. So the right answer is A. Question number 12: who is considered as the father of international law? Its right answer is Hugo Grotius. So the right answer is A. Question number 13: jurisprudence is a subject that deal with. Its right answer is Its right answer is philosophy of law. So the right answer is C. Question number 14. Judicial activism is when? Its right answer is judiciary is encroaching upon domain of legislative and executive. So the right answer is B. Question number 15. Which of the following types of question cannot be asked during the question hour in parliament? Its right answer is none of the above. So the right answer is D. Question number 16. False imprisonment under law of tort means. Its right answer is its right answer is an intentional confinement of a person without lawful justification. So the right answer is B. Question number 17. Doctrine of contributory negligence is applicable when? Its right answer is both plaintiff and defendant are at fault. So the right answer is B. Question number 18. One can have copyright over its creation. Its right answer is none of the above. So the right answer is D. Question number 19. Right to have clean environment emanates from. Its right answer is Article 21. So the right answer is C. Question number 20. Uh, Question number 20. Which of the following is not a separate legal entity? Its right answer is its right answer is a partnership firm. So the right answer is B. Question number 21. Stare decisis means. Its right answer is its right answer is it is necessary to abide by former precedent when the same points arise again in litigation. So the right answer is A. Question number 22. In Islam, dash is the period when a woman must observe after the death of her spouse or after divorce, during which she may not marry another man. Its right answer is its right answer is iddat. So the right answer is C. In Islam, iddat is the period a woman must observe after the death of her spouse or after divorce, during which she may not marry another man. So the right answer is C. Question number 23. Contingent contract is. Its right answer is violate. So the right answer is B. Question number 24. An insolvent person is. Its right answer is its right answer is bankrupt. So the right answer is B. Question number 25. A suit for malicious prosecution may be brought by the original defendant. Its right answer is upon acquittal. So the right answer is D. Question number 26. Which of the following is interested with the statutory duty of laying down the standards of the professional conduct and etiquette for the advocates in India? Its right answer is Its right answer is Bar Council of India. So the right answer is B. Question number 27. Public holidays are declared under. Its right answer is its right answer is public. 1 second. Its right answer is negotiable. Question number 27. Public holidays are declared under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. So the right answer is B. Question number 28. A contract of life insurance is a. Its right answer is its right answer is contingent contract. So the right answer is A. Question number 29. Which of the following is not an intellectual property? Its right answer is its right answer is discovery. So the right answer is D. Question number 30. Article 76 of the Constitution provides that the President shall appoint a person who is qualified to be appointed a judge of the question mark to be Attorney General of India. Its right answer is its right answer is its right answer is Supreme Court to be appointed a judge of the Supreme Court to be Attorney General of India. Article 76 of the Constitution provides that the President shall appoint a person who is qualified to be appointed a judge of the Supreme Court to be Attorney General of India. So the right answer is C. Question number 31. Article 15 of the Constitution provides that the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of or any of them. Its right answer is its right answer is religious, race, caste, sex, place of birth. So the right answer is A. Question number 32. Which of the following is not a ground for divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act? Its right answer is its right answer is retrievable breakdown of marriage. So the right answer is B. Question number 33. In Islam, is mandatory required amount of money or possessions paid by the groom to the bride at the time of marriage? Its right answer is its right answer is maher. Its right answer is maher. In Islam, maher is a mandatory required amount of money or possession paid by the groom to the bride at the time of marriage. So the right answer is B. Question number 34. The first law commission that recommended codification of Indian Penal Code was established under the chairmanship of. Its right answer is its right answer is Lord Macaulay. So the right answer is B. Question number 35. Within the jurisdiction of which High Court does the island of Andaman and Nicobar fall? Its right answer is its right answer is Calcutta High Court. So the right answer is D. Question number 36. A contract by which one party promises to save the other from loss caused to him by the conduct of the promiser himself or by the conduct of any other person is called. Its right answer is its right answer is contract of indemnity. So the right answer is C. Question number 37. Which of the following best describes the legal phrase amicus curiae? Its right answer is Its right answer is friend of the court. So the right answer is B. Question number 38. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Its right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So the right answer is A. Question number 39. When was the resolution of Purna Swaraj adopted by the Indian National Congress? Its right answer is January 26, 1930. So the right answer is C. Question number 40. The concept of ex post facto law is mentioned in which article of the Constitution of India? Its right answer is Article 20. So the right answer is A. Question number 41. By which amendment was the concept of anti-defection law included in the Constitution of India? Its right answer is its right answer is 52nd amendment. So the right answer is C. Question number 42. The case of Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shah Bano Begum and other is related to. Its right answer is its right answer is Muslim women's right to maintenance after divorce. So the right answer is B. Question number 43. The essential ingredients of crime are. Its right answer is its right answer is mens rea and actus reus. So the right answer is C. So so friends, it all was for today. We will meet in next video. It could be either general knowledge or legal aptitude. If you are visiting first time on this video, you can visit all those videos that is uploaded on this YouTube channel. For your convenience, I have divided the material into three part. That is legal aptitude, current affairs, and general knowledge. That is available in playlist. You can go there and watch those video conveniently. So we will meet in next video. Till thank you very much. Thank you very much.